Welcome back to the Piston Hub, your go-to destination for everything fast, fierce, and unforgettable. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive ride into the future of Italian performance with the all-new 2025 Ferrari Amalfi. If you enjoyed this video, please do a small favor, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel, the Piston Hub. We're a brand new channel, and your support means the world to us. With every subscription, we get the motivation to bring you more exciting automotive content. So don't wait, smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, and join us on this thrilling journey through the world of cars. Thank you. Named after the iconic Amalfi Coast, this masterpiece blends Ferrari's racing DNA with coastal elegance. The 2025 Amalfi is not just a car, it's a grand touring revolution. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that screams luxury and innovation. Premium Alcantara, carbon fiber touches, and a next-gen infotainment system wrapped in Ferrari's unmistakable design language. Every inch is tailored for performance and comfort. Under the hood, the Amalfi houses a twin-turbo V8 hybrid powertrain, pushing out an astonishing 780 horsepower. That means 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds and a top speed north of 210 miles per hour. Efficiency meets aggression. Welcome to the future of Ferrari GTs. Ferrari's advanced aero system adjusts in real time, hugging the Amalfi to the road with precision. Whether you're on a mountain pass or the highway, it adapts like a true driver's car. Selectable drive modes, AI-assisted suspension, and a fully digital cockpit ensure this Ferrari is as smart as it is savage. Touring, sport, track, choose your mood, and the Amalfi responds. And just look at it, sleek, sculpted, and unmistakably Ferrari. From the taillights to the quad exhausts, the Amalfi carries its name with pride and prestige. Whether you're pushing limits on the tarmac or cruising along the coast, the 2025 Ferrari Amalfi offers the ultimate GT experience with Italian soul and futuristic ambition. If you love this look at the 2025 Ferrari Amalfi, hit that like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon in the comments. Is this the most beautiful modern Ferrari yet? Stay tuned for more high-octane content, only on the Piston Hub.